Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this is one of the Brickmaster Polybags. This is Polybag 20013. And this is the Neptune Microsub. Now, it doesn't look like it's a super big Polybag set, as it's only 63 pieces, but the bag is actually pretty decent size. And I guess this is just one of the things. The Brickmaster sets tend to just have bigger bags, it looks like. Anyway, if you enjoy this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing one of these Polybag videos a day, each day, for the foreseeable future. And I have done one of these videos a day, every day, for, well, the recent past. So there are plenty of these out there if you like them, and there's more on the way. So just think about subscribing if these are the kind of things that interest you. Now also, if you're interested in this particular set, I'll include links in the description where you can find this set on Amazon and on Bricklink. And I will also include a link to Brickset where you can find out just general information about this set if you're interested. Now, the set itself doesn't look like it's super. Actually, it has some interesting stuff that I want to look at. Like, I'm curious about where this is going to go, like how this is going to factor into things, and so I'm curious about how this is going to go. So anyway, let's take a look and see. So you start with a 2x6 and a couple of these 1x4s with the pieces with the studs on the side, which are one of my favorite pieces ever. I like these pieces a lot. You can just do all kinds of neat stuff with them. And then we have the Technic piece with the 2 pinholes that is going to provide us with the headlights, it looks like. So the headlights for this particular sub are going to be set up this way. That's just kind of interesting, I guess. I don't know if I'm super crazy about this particular setup, but maybe it won't be too bad. Maybe it'll look better than I'm hoping. Or maybe better than I'm expecting, I guess. And then we got this on the back. It takes us to right there. And, you know I comment on this pretty much every time it happens, but it always seems weird when you get a regular sized brick in a polybag. And I don't know why that's the case, but it always strikes me as kind of just a little bit weird. So 2 more of these. Obviously going to give us our side panels. Like so. And then we have a 3x2 going on top. And 2 of these also going on the front. Alright. Not bad. And now we put these 2 things. So this one goes here, like so. And we have another one of them. There we go. Another one right here. Right here, like so. I gotta tell you, I always really like it when the Legos, it just shows how amazing the Legos are, that even the angles like this line up. Just, I don't know. Legos are just kind of amazing. Alright, so we're going to set that aside, and then we're going to work on what looks like it's going to be the top part. And that's kind of a, what is that, a 2x6 slope? That's an interesting piece. Alright. So, yeah, there's some pieces in here that are kind of interesting. So, let's see. I got the wings facing in this direction. And then you have the gray 1x2 goes in the middle, like so. Alright. So these two go right there. And you get your glove stuck in the thing. And after that, that piece lines up there pretty nicely. And another 1x4. Or, I'm sorry, 2x4. That gets us to there. And then these are kind of neat looking. So we line this one up this way, and this one like so. And we have our little conning tower thing. Goes on top, like so. That kind of gives a neat little bit of detail in there, right? And then we have a green light on one side, and a red light on the other. So that takes care of that. And then this is... oh, that's interesting. So green and then red. And those are going on these little, like, clip pieces. Alright. So, green, and then red. And then another green, and another red. Like so. And these hook over the ends of the wings. So this one goes here, like that. And this one goes here, like that. And then this attaches right here, like so. Alright, doesn't look too bad so far. So now, I guess we're going to work on side. Oh, we're not going to work on side pieces yet. So we're going to do the little propeller thing. Alright, so this is going to clip in there, like so. And then this clips in the side, like so. Huh. Alright. So this goes in here. Alright. That is a weird looking choice. I feel like if you're going to do something like that, like if you're going to do something like this, you need it pointed backwards. That is a strange choice. Alright. So let's see. We're going to do wing pieces this time. Got those. And got those. And like so. So we got this one going that way, and I'm assuming the easiest way to do this is I'll just have the other one go the opposite direction, and that way I can't screw them up. Although we'll see, maybe I can still screw them up. I don't like this at all though. You see this right here, where like this piece is only connected by that one? I'm not a big fan of that. Alright, so these, although I guess it gets better because when we attach it to the 4, oh, we don't attach it to the 4 right there. We just attach it to the 3. Ugh. I'm not super crazy about this part. Let's see. Well, it holds it on a little better. And so this one attaches to the bottom 3 here. Yeah. You see how it sort of comes off? I'm not super crazy about that. But it attaches right there. So they're a little bit more braced when they're actually on the ship. So that takes care of that. And then we're going to make 2 of these things. Alright. So like so, and like so. Oops. And then that goes on, and this goes on. And then we have a couple of 2x3s. And then the side, well, I guess the, what are these be? Like ballast tanks maybe? Something like that. So ballast tank, and we have a 1x3. 1x3 is facing on, it's on the side away from that, like so. And then this side has the little, I guess, steering wheel maybe, like so. And then these attach, so they're like that. Alright. So that's the sub. So extra pieces wise, we have these left. It's kind of interesting. And that's weird. I don't like that at all. I feel like this could be better. Like this should be pointed backwards, or it should be like hanging, like it. This should be, instead of being connected that way, it should be like hanging down like that, so it can be directed. I think that would make a much better. Like maybe have it attached like right here, where it could rotate. Yeah, this is a weird choice, I think, for that. But otherwise, it looks kind of neat, I guess. I'm not, yeah, actually, I don't really like this, because that part sort of sucks too, where it's not really well attached. But, man, you know, it's interesting. It has some parts I do like about it. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.